If LDPlayer is hitting 100% CPU usage, fans loud, PC slowing down, games stuttering, yeah, that's a serious problem. The good news is this is usually caused by a few fixable settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to bring CPU usage back to normal in 2026. Let's get into it. First, restart your PC. After it boots up, don't open browsers, launchers, or recording apps. Background tasks can push LDPlayer straight to 100% CPU. Now open LDPlayer and click the gear icon on the right side to open settings. Go to the Advanced or Performance tab. If CPU cores are set too high, lower them. 2 cores is usually enough for most games. Giving LDPlayer too many cores often causes 100% usage instead of better performance. Next, adjust RAM. Set memory to 4 or 6 gigabytes. Maxing out RAM can increase CPU load, especially after updates. Yeah, balance matters here. Now switch the graphics rendering mode. If you're on OpenGL, try DirectX. If you're on DirectX already, test OpenGL. One of these usually lowers CPU usage instantly. Lower the emulator resolution to 720p. Set DPI around 240. Higher resolution puts extra pressure on the CPU, especially on mid-range PCs. Scroll down and turn off anti-aliasing, high-quality rendering, and extra visual effects. These features don't just hit the GPU, they also spike CPU usage. Make sure virtualization is enabled on your PC. Also disable Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Sandbox if they're turned on. These Windows features can force LDPlayer to use way more CPU than necessary. And that's it. After these changes, LDPlayer should stop hitting 100% CPU and run much more smoothly. If this helped, save it, and yeah, check out the other LDPlayer performance guides on the channel. See you next time.